Familia, what is going on? It is your favorite Nene Jojo back at it again with another YouTube video for you guys. I know I've been MIA, I've been missing in action, but yo, at least we're in 4K, at least we're back in 4K. If that makes the situation any better. I hope everybody is well. I hope everybody has been counting their blessings. I hope everybody has been blessed. Today's video is gonna be about walnut blasting the E92. If you guys are not familiar with what a walnut blast is on a car, it's basically when you clean out the cylinders of your car. And in my case, the N54 engine, which is in the E92, it tends to get a lot of carbon in the cylinders. That car is, what is it? It's 14 years old, so it's a pretty decently old car. So we have to clean that out. But before we start the video, I have to head over to Harbor Freight to pick up an air compressor so we can do the stuff at Uli's house. That's exactly what we need, ladies and gentlemen. You're gonna need an air compressor like this. We have arrived. What's good, baby girl? What's good, sexy girl? Hey, sexy girl. Yeah, she's been down for, I think it's been like a day. But a day is a day. Come on, like, it's my baby. Like I said, there's tools in here already, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're changing out. Oh, that's fire. Oh man, that's fire. Alright, so that's the fuel, the low fuel pump sensor right there. As you guys can see if it focuses. Yeah, that's what's going wrong with the car. It's detecting that there's, I don't know, there's fuel leaking somewhere, or it's just not reading correctly. So it's basically, it's not allowing me to go into boost. So on top of that, we are also doing, you know, the walnut blast. I hope you guys see me okay. Cause, yo, this looks crazy. This looks crazy. Honestly, this is one of the best investments. Hey, if you're gonna, you gotta invest in yourself. That's exactly why I went ahead and I bought this camera, because I know I like making these, I love making these YouTube videos for you guys. And even though I slack sometimes, I potentially want to make, you know, something big out of it. If I can make it, you know, God willing, God willing. All right, guys, that's the end result. That was relatively easy. Now we're gonna go on to showing you the process of doing the walnut blast. I'm waiting for Uli, because he knows what he's doing, more or less. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. You guys know that already. But I'm slowly making progress, trying to get better at this mechanic stuff. But yeah, Uli, like I said, he's the BMW technician. So I'm just waiting for him to get here. Decided to do that real quick because I saw how easy it was on the internet. So hopefully that does the issue, because like I said, I haven't been able to go into boost. If you guys don't know what that means, it's basically when I hit the turbos, you know, I'm at an RPM where the turbos kick in, and it's basically, it'll like send your car flying, if that makes sense. I don't know if I sound like a nerd or not, but yo, boost is everything. To all my car guys, you guys know the boost life is crazy. The boost life is real crazy. If you guys haven't driven a car with a turbo in it yet, or at least twin turbos or something, like you actually feel it, you have to. Like I said last video, guys, I have had this stuff since like November or December, somewhere around there. Since the winter time, basically. It's basically, I've just been waiting to do this stuff. This is the transmission fluid flush. I'm probably not gonna make a video on this. It's just basically maintenance in my transmission, you know, doing you know, changing the oil of the transmission, you know, because you don't want to, if you're pushing more power into the car, you don't want to risk blowing your transmission. That sucks, you know, buying a whole new transmission. But these are coils. This is what we're going to be changing out when we're done with the carbon, the walnut blast. We're going to be changing out the coils. I'll show you guys. Coils, new coils, and new spark plugs. This should drastically change my gas mileage. If you guys don't have me on Instagram, follow me at Jojo Nene. But besides that, you already know I be posting my gas mileage all the time, and that shit is literally like 14 miles to the gallon. That's literally horrible. Uli, he averages maybe like 20, 22. Even when he's pushing the car, he'll still get 19. So the fact that I'm averaging like 14, 13 on like days that I'm pushing it, that's ridiculous. I shouldn't be averaging that much. So this should drastically change the progression of how much gas mileage I'm getting. All right, now it's time to unbox this bad boy.
I got what you want, I got what you need. Said you wanna go, but again you never leave. Pushing every button, I don't even need a key. Hit her in the DM, using them as her receipts. Bad girl, pretty nice, smile so unique. Hit it 2 times, I'ma have to make it 3. Saying this ain't right, I wouldn't even say a peep. No.
Yo, we got it working. Look, so it's up on the wheels. Uli got the blaster. Say what's good, Uli. Hey. Now we're about to get to work. So we're gonna be inserting the walnut shells into the compressor. No, this is not the compressor. What is it called?
The blaster.
The blaster. Yeah, and then the compressor is obviously giving this pressure. Oh, let's break this shit. Look, yo, when I brought this over, man, my car got so dirty. So dirty. Look, because it's all over the place, like these little things. As you can see, we have the setup. Look, so we have the vacuum with the, I don't know, the sucking mechanism. Then Uli's gonna throw that tube into where the opening is right there. So it's basically gonna be pushing in walnuts, and it's gonna be also sucking them in at the same time. And that's how you clear the carbon out of your engine, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the walnuts are most definitely coming in. The carbon is leaving out. But yeah, we're on the right path. Guys, we are all finished up with the walnut blast. I'm gonna probably show you guys some pictures of how the end result came out, but honestly, it came out beautiful. Just know that. Super big shout out to Uli. You know, he's the one that, you know, the mastermind behind this. I mean, I helped a lot, but he knows what he's doing for the most part. The walnut blast is done. The fuel pump sensor is done. Now it's just all about putting pieces back into the car. And I'll put a clip in of me driving it and my reaction to how, you know, the walnut blast did. It should feel faster. And like I said, I haven't been able to go into boost lately, so I'm definitely gonna be a little tripped out. I'm gonna change the tune on the car. I'm probably gonna put stage 2 plus already on it that I couldn't before. Fingers crossed everything works well. So we're gonna start it up for the first time. We got everything back up in the car. We're about to take it for a drive after. Let's see it, let's hear it.
Again.
We cammed it. Alright, so the reason why it's doing that is because there's probably still walnuts in the engine bay and it has to burn away. But it should do this only for a couple minutes and then it should go away. So we had a slight delay. So we ended up going on the drive, the first drive, and it wasn't letting me go into boost because of the coils and the spark plugs. It was just picking up something that, I don't know, it's just not letting me go into boost, but I'm over here taking them out now. I'm gonna put the new spark plugs and coils that I showed you guys the last time. But yeah, this is the process. Very easy, very simple. The next clip should be on the road. All right, guys, time to hit some boost. car now.
You shoot me.
Oh, it sounds fucking amazing. Holy shit. Woo! Yo, trust the process.
Sounds really fucking good.
Sounds really good. Holy shit. I feel like it's better to drive now, bro.
Oh, bro, it's 10 times better.
But even like it's smooth, it's just smoother. Everything.
The carbo buildup, that shit makes it really bad for you to drive it. It's uneven, the power comes in uneven, and this engine is supposed to be, especially with stock turbos, supposed to be like naturally aspirated.
Yo, that's crazy.
Whoop, whoop. Illegal shit.
That shit's crazy. Yo, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to Then Energy, please. I think this is gonna be the outro. I don't really feel like going home and making an outro. But yo, thank you guys again for rocking with me. Thank you guys for coming and supporting the video. I love you guys. Stay golden, mi gente. Love ya.
Thank you to Uli.
Thank you, Uli.